In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can move from this to this. Okay, I know a lot of people have been struggling with hitting the 1000 subscribers threshold. Don't worry, relax, because today I'm going to hold you by the hands and show you in practical terms how you can achieve this within a space of just what? A month, right? Let's get right into the video. The very first thing you will do in order to achieve this threshold is to create high quality and discoverable content. Okay, you shouldn't just be posting because you are posting. A lot of people are still making that mistake. They just post whatever they like. No, your content has to be top notch. Okay, and it has to be discoverable. You have to think about what people are looking for, because if you're just creating anything, it may not be what people are searching for. All right, billions of people are coming onto YouTube on a daily basis to search for one thing or the other. So you have to make your research, find out what people are looking for, what are they searching for in your niche, and capitalize on that. Do you get? For instance, my personal channel, I was just posting, vlogs here and there without having a clear direction. Okay, but when I realized how YouTube works, I implemented this particular strategy and it skyrocketed my channel. Okay, so if you do this, you will see yourself gaining the subscribers and the views. Okay, it is not magic, it is how it is done. Now, another thing you have to do to achieve this threshold within a very short period of time is to post consistently. Yeah, a lot of people out there, a lot of creators keep hammering on creating consistently, but they do not tell you how much consistent you have to be. Okay, YouTube is a platform that you have to show yourself for you to be seen. You have to be there, like you have to put yourself in the faces of people. They need to see you. You need to be as consistent as possible. Okay, now if you can be consistent on daily basis, daily posting, perfect. It is not easy. You might be drained out, you might get burnt out, but if you can plan yourself to be posting on daily basis, that is the perfect consistent you can ever be. Okay, now if you cannot post on daily basis, you can decide to be posting 3 times a week or even 2 times a week. Just be consistent with the days you are posting and the time you are posting. Okay, so that once it is that particular day of the week or that time of the week, YouTube is expecting that this particular channel is pushing out a content, and you will see your videos being recommended, being pushed out to the audience. Okay, so you have to be consistent. If you want to be posting on a daily basis, good and fine. If you want to be making it maybe 3 times a week, perfect. If you still want to be making it 2 times a week, perfect. Even once a week, okay, as your strength can carry you, just be consistent with it. Okay, with both the timing you are posting, the kind of content you are posting, and you see your channel skyrocketing. You will get the 1000 subscribers immediately. Okay, now another thing you have to do to achieve this feat is to be making use of YouTube features. Yes, YouTube has provided some features on this platform in order to help creators to push out their videos. Such features like end screen, cards, playlists. Some persons do not know what these things are all about. Okay, I'll still make a separate video on that. You have to make use of your playlist. You have to make use of your end screens. End screens are those videos that will be attached at the end of your video. Then you also have to make use of cards. Cards are like video links that are being attached in between your videos. Now, these features are very, very important because it makes your content to be in the faces of the viewers. And when people keep watching your videos and they keep getting value, they will definitely subscribe. Do you understand? So you have to make use of all the YouTube features in order to push out your content. Okay, in order to achieve this threshold, it is very, very what important. Another thing you have to do for you to achieve this threshold in a very short period of time is your thumbnails and your title. Yes, you have to be very, very intentional about your thumbnails and your title. You have to make use of curiosity inducing thumbnails and titles. Yes, you need to design a catchy thumbnail that will attract people, that will make people to want to see what you have, not just in that particular video, in your channel as a whole. Okay, so your thumbnails should be eye-catchy. They should be engaging. All right. Then not just the thumbnails, the title. You should make use of titles that are discoverable. You should optimize your titles very well. Okay. Make use of SEO and titles that are SEO worthy so that when they are being searched, it can be seen. Okay. So make sure you implement this and you will see yourself gaining the subscribers. It works like magic, like miracle. Final thing I have for you today to do in order to achieve your 1000 subscribers threshold is to engage with your audience. I mean, we know that this is, though some people do not know, but you have to engage with your audience, okay? You have to reply any comment at all that is coming onto your page, onto your channel. You have to reply, you have to engage, you have to create that sense of familiarity. All right, you have to make people welcome to your space so that they will feel welcome to subscribe and watch your videos. So endeavor to engage with your audience. And if you do all those 5 things I have mentioned today, there is no way you will not hit that threshold within a month. Okay, so I hope this video has been helpful to someone out there. And if you found this video helpful, do well to give this video a massive thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment. If you have a question, drop your question, share the video as well, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.